Welcome to Kids Cartoon and Learning। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे शेप्स नेम सॉन्ग के साथ, तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। सर्कल, दिस इज अ सर्कल।
I am circle, I go round and round and round. I have only one side, I am circle, round and round.
Oval, this is a oval.
I am oval, I am curved like a smile. I have only one side, I am oval, oval, oval.
Semicircle, this is a semicircle.
I'm a semicircle, a crescent moon so bright. I have half round. I'm a semicircle so bright.
Heart, this is a heart.
I am hot, I'm so curvy, so smart. I am really lovely shape. I'm hot, I am hot.
Rectangle, this is a rectangle.
Rectangle, like a really long square. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle.
Square, this is a square.
I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square.
Triangle, this is a triangle.
I'm a triangle. I am pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle.
Star, this is a star.
I'm a star in the sky so far. I have five pointy arms. I'm a star.
Diamond, this is a diamond.
I am diamond. You can see me on a ring. I am so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।